Good morning. Have you ever thought of a nature walk? Do you know the trees talk? How will you make a nature walk? You know how good and beneficial it is when you walk in the woods. You will become very happy and feel spiritually very high. Is a time when people are suffering from corona that you take a walk in the woods and experience the high amount of oxygen. Here I am with a large number of trees, you can see, and let me see that I will be talking with this tree. You can see the green leaf. This is a very tall tree, as you can see. Hello tree, how are you? Oh, the tree has a motion. There is some vibrations in the tree. The tree is telling me that it was very small and it has grown into a large tree, and there are green colored leaves. And as I read in the science books that the plants prepare their own food. They have cell walls, and inside them are also cells, and they are growing, and a process called photosynthesis, which I read in my science books, that the plants take carbon dioxide, water, and in the green color there is a pigment called chlorophyll. It absorbs sunlight. Photosynthesis takes place, and on the green part of the plant, the cellulose, the sugar, the complex sugar is formed. And there is a whole transportation system. Well, as you can see, ground. This is the ground of the tree where water goes, and there is a soil. The soil has elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, and other minerals and salt. By the process of osmosis and diffusion, there is an exchange of gases between different parts of the plant, and the roots absorb water from the ground. By osmosis it rises. So I find that this is a very tall tree. The life of the tree could be 400 years old. These trees, as you can see, there are more trees that talk with each other. And the roots of the bigger tree provides food and minerals to the smaller plants and trees. And my dear friends, we should try to take a nature walk. What I am doing, I am taking my shoes off, because you are wearing your shoes, you are wearing your socks, and this I will be touching my feet and walking on the plain ground. And my feet are now in contact with the soil. This soil is fertile. This soil has minerals, salts, water, and it is giving me a feeling and comfortable. As I can walk, now I see that it will walk in the morning on the grass, which is slightly wet. This has a healing mechanism. It heals our mind, body, soul and heart. You can see that nature walk is very important. You can talk with the trees and experience each and every leaf, and pay your attention to the green leaves of the plant, and you will find there are some fruits also in some of the trees. So what happens is there is excretion process also taking in the trees. When these, just like we do excretion, the trees also have a life. They excrete in the soil or in the form of the leaves start falling after some period of time. Here you can see the leaves have fallen. These leaves are fallen. So the leaves were formed by photosynthesis. They are formed. Now they are coming to the ground, and they will mix in the ground and will make the soil fertile. So there is a cycle going on, the growth of the tree, and then this. And my request is that try to have a nature walk. It is good for your health, and it uplifts your mood and creates happiness and positive signs. It is our responsibility that we save these plants and trees, because they provide us oxygen, and they remove large amount of carbon which is emitted in the atmosphere. So I hope you understood my point. Nature walk during the corona pandemic is very good. Go to the woods, go to the trees, rather than visiting some countries where you will want to have hi-fi dinner and lunch. Go to a peaceful place and talk with the trees. Trees are talking. Trees will communicate with you. Trees will give happiness to you. Okay, namaste. फिर मैं मिलता हूँ नेक्स्ट वीडियो।